Welcome back again, and thank you so much for watching all the videos and liking. I hope you are getting all the details and the vocabulary for the latest cue cards also. I have uploaded recent cue cards जो already exam में आ रहे हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा पूछे जा रहे हैं, and this is one of them, an exciting experience in your life. You can read the sample answer, you can prepare, and you can score really good bands in your IELTS test. So let's start. कि what it is, कौन सा exciting experience है, कब हुआ, क्या हुआ, and why it was so exciting. So life is full of exciting, thrilling, adventurous experiences, and we tend to forget few of them. But I remember them for a long period of time. तो आप इसके बारे में बात करें, and after that you can say कि to the रिकलेक्टिंग अगर आप करें इस चीज को रिकॉल करें सो सच थ्रिलिंग ओकेजन्स में एक एक्साइटिंग एक्सपीरियंस है दैट यू वांटेड टू वॉच अ 3D एनिमेटेड मूवी इन अ मूवी थिएटर एंड यू वेंट विद योर फ्रेंड. इट वॉज एन ओवरवेलमिंग एक्सपीरियंस फॉर यू, आप ये भी बोल सकते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो यू विल टॉक अबाउट दैट यू वेंट इन अप्रैल विद योर क्लोज फ्रेंड्स. और मूवी का नाम क्या था, थिएटर का नाम क्या था. इट वॉज फन टू वॉच अ मूवी ऑन अ लार्ज स्क्रीन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. टू शेयर द इम्प्रेशन, कैसा था, enthralled थे आप, quite taken aback by the surreal stage at which I entered when I wore the 3D glasses. So how was your experience? आप ये learn कर लीजिए. Also आप ये पहली बार witness कर रहे थे for the whole thing for the first time with your own eyes. Then when you put on the glasses, it was all magical. आप एक world of animation में चले गए थे and you were just cut off from the reality. You were transported to a fairy world. Animated characters थे, just thrilling dimension था to the experience. और साथ में it was advanced remarkably in all the spheres and domains. और ये अलग ही dimension देता है to the movie lovers. Experience आपके लिए totally unique था. Enchanted with the experience, you were आप ये भी बोल सकते हो mesmerized by the experience that you got. And afterwards आपने और भी movies देखी and it was unforgettable time for you. I have used various words. I have used the kind of vocabulary, wide range I have provided in order to fetch good band score. So I hope you can ace up, you can get the good band structure here. So all the best and keep watching. Do like the video, guys, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any new video out there. So all the best, guys. See you in my next video.